little Pingus. Are you all ready to listen to some lovely and amazing stories? Then stay tuned.
Tippy the tiny tree. Why plucking leaves is wrong. Hi little friends. Are you ready for a fun story? Let's go to a garden where a tiny tree lives. Let's meet Tippy the tiny tree. Tippy was tiny, Tippy was small. She lived in the garden by the back wall. She wiggled her leaves, she smiled so wide. When the sun came up, she danced with pride. And near that garden lived two curious kids, Mia and Kabir. They were always full of energy and wonder. Mia was always asking questions and Kabir loved to explore. One sunny day, they came running into the garden. Mia excitedly said, "Look, a little tree, so cute." Kabir replied,
"Let's take her leaves and flowers, Mia."
But just as they were about to pluck the leaves, a bird flew down and chirped. "No, no, no! Please don't take her leaves. Let her grow. And you will see, she gives us air and shade and helps the world feel cool and safe." Suddenly, a bee buzzed by.
"I drip nectar from the flower she grows, and my sweetness from her blooms, you know."
Just then, Tippy smiled and said, "Thank you, friends, for helping me here. Hello, Mia and Kabir. Nice to meet you. You know, I was always not here. Let me tell you a story about me. Once, there were many bad people who cut down trees. They didn't care about the Mother Earth or the animals. But a kind old lady with her grandchild by her side came and planted me here so I could grow with pride. They gave me a new life so I could help all of you. I give you air so fresh and sweet. I cool the ground beneath your feet. Birds sing in my shade. I give them a place to stay and play." Mia and Kabir looked at Tippy in awe. Mia exclaimed, "Wow, Tippy, you really do so much." Kabir also excitedly said,
"You are so special, Tippy."
Tippy smiled warmly and said, "Yes, yes, and I love you all. If you plant more trees like me, the world will be a place full of happiness. More green, more clean, more flowers to be seen, more air, no heat, a cool, happy place for your feet." Mia and Kabir smiled bright and said, "We will take care of you, Tippy. You will grow so tall."
We will plant more trees. We will give them water. We will make the world a greener place for all.
Plant a tree and you will see a greener world for you and me. Water them when it's too hot and watch them grow a happy lot. Mia and Kabir ran to tell their friends, "Let's plant the trees. Let's not pluck them."
Let's care. Let's share. Trees are everywhere.
And soon the garden had many more Tippy friends. Big ones, tiny ones, trees with pink flowers, trees with fruits. And guess what? Everybody was happy. The sun, the birds, and even the kids with smiling white faces. So kids, always remember, plant a tree, let it grow 1, 2, 3. Care for trees every day. They will thank you in a leafy way. Let's clap for Tippy and all the trees.